In Goa, how difficult it is, how good it is, and then also the experience of an actress, which is very linked to this.
Yes. Good evening. See, cinema has been difficult on all parts of the world. Either in Goa or Portugal, there is no difference as far as the budget financing is concerned. In Goa, we make cinema with around, say, budget of 150,000 euros. And in India, the biggest cinema is done around, say, around 20 million euros. So there's a difference. But in India, we have two types of cinema. There's a parallel cinema going, there's a commercial cinema, and there's called art cinema. So art cinema usually comes from different states of India. It's coming from Bengal, it's coming from Punjab, it's coming from Kerala, it's coming from Andhra Pradesh, it's coming from Karnataka, and it's coming from Goa.
Anyway, first of all, I would like to salute and congratulate for this initiative, because I suppose that is a first step for eventually in the future we have more co-productions between Portugal and India, and especially with Goa. And I suppose that it's I remember that my family lived there for some centuries, and certainly I remember from childhood many stories and experiences in Goa.
And this film is basically directed by a young director, Lakshmikant Shilgaonkar, and he took around 4 years to do research, and then he presented this movie. And when he was when he was going around planning this film, National Film Development Corporation of India helped him financially. This film basically revolves around different aspects of humanity. The main protagonist, the main person, main actor, is a forest range officer.
But the day was not yet over. At Fórum Lisboa, hundreds of people waited for the beginning of the concert, which brought together Goan music and its folklore. While Sonia Sisat and Praveen Gaukar, accompanied by Vishnu on keyboard, Sachin on the flute, Mayuresh on tabla, and Orland on the bandolin, delighted the audience with fusion music, the group Canta Gauré performed traditional dances of Goa. The CD, Fado Raga, as well as the DVD on traditional dances of Goa were released during the concert. Sonia Sisat, accompanied by Dr. Alan Abreu, also sang a few Konkani songs, and a group brought by the Hindu community performed as well. 13th October evening was the much-awaited event, the dinner at Sana Hotel that witnessed the presence of more than 500 Portuguese and Goans. 2 chefs from Cidade de Goa and Chef Peter from Ocoqueiro delighted the guests with Goan food.
The food was wonderful because the food items were from Goa, the cooks were from Goa, so basically I was very familiar with the cuisine.
A comida estava muito boa, muito típica, tanto goeses como não goeses, porque eu gostei imenso de ver os não goeses, não indianos que estavam aqui presentes e que estavam a gostar imenso do que estavam a comer e a experimentar algumas coisas pela primeira vez.
Sim, sou um apreciador porque tenho ligações a Goa sou neto de um antigo governador-geral da Índia e tenho muito gosto em sempre ir a restaurantes de Goa aqui em Lisboa. E conheço alguns.
The music accompaniment, usually in any Goan function, was by Gonzaga Coutinho Music Band, joined later by Sonny Sirsat. On 14 October, while most of the delegates enjoyed their day out in the city, the movie buffs got together, this time at Museu do Oriente. The first movie presented was Zagor, directed by Sangram Singh Gaikwad and produced by Damu Naik, followed by O Maria, directed and produced by Rajendra Talak.
Os meus pais são de Goa e fez-me recordar, tive só 2 vezes em Goa, fez-me recordar os tempos quando eles eram pequenos. Achei lindíssimo o filme. Não, só por acaso vi na internet e gostei, chamou-me a atenção precisamente pelos meus pais serem ingleses.
Namaskar. This is the traditional way we welcome always in India. I'm from Goa, and this film.
During this event, the filmmaker of O Maria had the opportunity to interact with the audience.
Gostei bastante do filme. É um filme que trata da nossa querida terra Goa, da defesa do ambiente e da defesa contra as pessoas que vêm de fora a tomar conta da nossa linda Goa.
Eu que não conheço Goa, acho que me despertou o interesse para visitar e para viajar até Goa e conhecer Goa. Acho que na essência o que o filme me traz é a vontade de viajar e de conhecer Goa. Acho que é isso.
O Maria foi um filme espetacular. Gostei imenso, senhora.
Gostei muito também de ver, ainda por cima tive o prazer de conhecer o Rajendra Talak, portanto foi uma honra. No outro dia ofereceu-me um risol de camarão no bar e estivemos a conversar um bocadinho e pronto, espero que manter contato com ele inclusivamente.
I want all of us to take this further because there is interaction already with each other. That was very important. The purpose, I think, is for what we have been here. I was just when I was thinking, why to go to Portugal screen a movie? But I think, yes, if I had to miss this, I would have missed the best opportunity to meet many people, many directors also from here, and hopefully
the well-known director and producer Fernando Vendrell, previously present at the Cinemateca, was also seen during this event talking to Rajendra Talak. 15 October was the last event of Semana and was dedicated to Indo-Portuguese literature. The event was held at Instituto Camões and had been preceded by a book exhibition showcasing many authors such as Paulino Dias, Floriano Barreto, Adeodato Barreto, Orlando Costa and so many others. Ana Paula Laborinho, director of Instituto Camões, inaugurated the session.
Gostaríamos de dizer que, de facto, para nós é muito significativo podermos ter esta sessão que, de alguma maneira, encerra esta semana e também notar que é com muito gosto que recebemos temos aqui o Miguel Real, que nos vai falar sobre a Índia na literatura portuguesa, que acaba de publicar O Feitiço da Índia e que conta exatamente a história de 3 portugueses em 3 épocas diferentes, o que é uma forma de viajar, de também viajar na história. E por outro lado temos aqui o Everton Machado, que nos vai falar de uma obra menos conhecida, vai-nos falar dos Brahmans, uma obra de Francisco Luís Gomes, as leituras controversas dessa obra, e também será oportunidade para podermos dialogar sobre estas matérias.
Começa com o António Tabucchi, no autor indiano, depois comentaremos cada deles.
Miguel Real spoke about all the books published in Portugal involving India, beginning with the first one in 1974, Noturno Indiano by António Tabucchi. Miguel Real spoke extensively about each author, ending with the book which is being released this year by Diana Barroqueiro, named O Corsário dos Sete Mares, Fernão Mendes Pinto. After Miguel Real, Everton Machado spoke about the Brahmins of Francisco Luís Gomes.
Quando o Delfim propôs esta conferência, eu pensei, ele disse, venha falar pelos Brahmins, os Brahmins de novo, não. Eu já tenho até pesadelos, esse me pede artigo sobre os Brahmins, mas enfim, acho que vale a pena insistir, né, nos Brahmins, mesmo disso me dê pesadelo sempre, porque eu acho que essa obra tem uma importância que vai muito para além de Goa e de Portugal.
After both presentations, an interactive session about Indo-Portuguese literature took place. The week was over. The balance?
É iniciativas que devia haver mais vezes. Aliás, vê-se pela presença aqui do número de pessoas que aqui estão, que de facto este intercâmbio cultural é essencial para se manter, principalmente para pessoas como eu, que são goeses, mas não nascidos em Goa. É uma experiência muito interessante e que acho que é de continuar.
I must congratulate the people of the organizers who have done a great job, because it's not easy to come all the way from Goa and to organize these functions, because I saw a tremendous response, and I hope that this interaction between Goa and Portugal will continue. May not be possible every year, talvez não seja possível, porque não é fácil, mas espero que pelo menos de vez em quando, every, say, 3-4 years, at least 4 years, we can have a function in Portugal, and I expect more than that the Portuguese people will come to Goa to participate in the Semana Cultura which we'll have in Goa.